Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that can seriously boost the performance of your QNAP TVS-h1288X NAS, the ATEC 128GB kit. This kit is specifically designed for the QNAP TVS-h1288X series, including the TVS-h1288X NAS model, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. This kit includes four 32GB modules, totaling 128GB of DDR4 memory. This is a significant upgrade for anyone running demanding applications, virtual machines, or handling large datasets on their NAS. The memory operates at speeds up to 2666 MHz, specifically PC4-21300, also known as PC4-2666V. This speed ensures quick data access and smooth multitasking, which is crucial for a NAS that's constantly serving data to multiple users or applications. One of the key features of this ATEC memory is that it's ECC unbuffered UDMM. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory is vital for maintaining data integrity, especially in an NAS environment where data reliability is paramount. The ECC functionality detects and corrects memory errors, preventing data corruption and system crashes. It's important to note that this memory type cannot be mixed with other ECC types like ECC registered or non-ECC unbuffered, so make sure to check your system's manual for compatibility. The modules are 2RX8, meaning they're dual-rank X8, adhering to the JEDEC DDR4 standard and operating at a low voltage of 1.2V. This lower voltage not only reduces power consumption, but also helps in keeping the system cool, which is always a plus in a compact NAS environment. Installing this 128GB kit can significantly expand your system's available memory resources. This leads to improved performance, reduced bottlenecks, and an increased workload capacity. Whether you're running a media server, a backup solution, or a virtualized environment, more memory translates to a smoother and more responsive experience. ATEC stands behind their product with a limited lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. They also have a knowledgeable tech team available to assist you before and after your purchase, should you have any questions or need help with installation. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the performance and reliability of your QNAP TVS-h1288X NAS, the ATEC 128GB DDR4 ECC unbuffered memory kit is an excellent choice. It's a high-quality, compatible, and reliable upgrade that can significantly enhance your NAS experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.